The MP3 Music Player app for Android is a popular audio player designed to provide users with a seamless and enjoyable music listening experience. This app supports various audio formats, including MP3, WAV, and AAC, making it versatile for music enthusiasts with diverse collections. Features typically include a user-friendly interface that allows easy navigation through playlists, albums, and song libraries. Users can create custom playlists, shuffle tracks, and repeat songs, enhancing personalization while listening. The app often includes advanced features such as equalizer settings, audio effects, and sleep timers, allowing users to customize their listening experience further. Additionally, it may offer options for song lyrics display, album art visualization, and a built-in file manager that helps users browse their local storage for music files efficiently. Some versions of the app also provide support for streaming music from online sources or integrating with cloud services. Overall, the MP3 Music Player app for Android is a comprehensive tool for music lovers, emphasizing ease of use, personalization, and a rich feature set, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy their favorite tunes on the go.